a trail workday, we'll have a lot of tools along the trail with us. So staging your tools is really important. We don't want to lean them against trees like this, because as we're walking by, that could blend in and it just gets left here. The important thing about staging your tools is to make sure that we take them all with us when we go. So I want to drop it business end uphill off of the trail with the handle into the trail, so that when we do our final walkthrough at the end of the workday, I see the handle, I know there's a tool, I grab it, and we go. This is the way to make sure that we're not losing tools, not leaving them behind, and also keep them just enough out of the trail that people aren't tripping over them as they're walking by. But we can still see they're there.
Okay, to tools, as you're picking those up to head out, you want to make sure that you're making sure that you have all the tools, and you're going to hold it on the downhill side. The sharp end should be on the downhill side. The less aggressive tool, like a rake, if you have to carry multiple tools, do it on the uphill side. But watching your step, if you go down through here and you're walking along the trail and all of a sudden you trip, throw that down. You want to throw it on the downhill side. And once again, as you're going, watching your step, looking for other tools and keeping your distance from the other people that are helping you.
All right, so something really important to remember while you're working with other members of crew on the trail is your danger bubble or blood bubble. A lot of these tools, they're sharp, they're heavy, they have long handles. Sometimes you're gonna be swinging overhead, you're gonna be waving your hands. So maintaining a safe distance, typically 10 to 15 feet is recommended. If I can reach out and touch you with a tool handle, then you are far too close. So maintaining that safe distance, and that's a good way, I like to say, keep 2 handle lengths away from me. So if I can stick this handle out and I can get close to you, you're too close, back up, or either I'll move further down the trail. So maintain that safe distance so you're not hurting anyone while you work.